Hello, welcome. Let's look at the question 11, still on the general mathematics for Liberia 2025. We are to simplify into bracket root 5 minus 4 root 3, multiplying into bracket 2 root 5 minus 3 root 3. Now, when you are doing this, remember, you are going to expand. So we are picking the first term here, which is going to be the root of 5, multiplying 2 root 5 minus 3 root 3. Then you take the negative 4 with the root 3, multiplying 2 of the root 5, then 3 root 3. Now, when you are expanding, remember that rational numbers multiply together and the irrational numbers multiply under the root. Therefore, there is a 1 here, there is a 2. So 1 times 2 will give us 2. Then root 5, meaning the root of 5 times root of 5 will be 25 under the root, which is still 5. So I'm just going to write, okay, let me still write this square. 1 times 3 will be 3. Then in the root, 5 times what? 3. Minus 2 times 4. That will be 8. In the root, 3 times 5. Minus this minus the negative times negative, positive 12 in the case of 4 times 3. Then in the root I have root 3 times what? Root 3. So this is 5. That is root 25 is 5. So 5 times 2 will give you 10 minus. We still have 3 in the root of 15 minus 8 in the root of 15 plus. This is going to be 3. 3 times 12. That will give you what? 36. So now let's group the like terms and have 10 plus 36. That will be 46. Minus 3 minus 8. That will be minus 11. Then root what? 15. These are like set. So you pick only the coefficient in front. And checking the options. Which option is going to be the best answer? I think that will be the option A. So we are going for A as our best option.